day, a really special day. We have another BSS Building System Specialist graduation, and we have two really special professionals coming from Pirmin Jung. Their names is Camille and Peter, and they made really, really technical and special BSS title that we want to share with you. Two amazing engineers that they want to share their project and also how they find solutions with the tools that they were learning during the BSS title, plus all the previous experience from work and also learning. So we will start with one special video from Camille, and we will share with you her amazing work. Let me share the screen, please. Okay. Please enjoy. Let me stop 1 second. Okay, and I will let you share this nice time with Camille if you want to explain the project.
Hello. So as Andres already introduced me, I'm Camille. I'm a civil engineer working for Pirmin Jung. Pirmin Jung is a timber construction company of Switzerland. We also do have different branches we work on. Check out our website; it's really nice. So maybe you've seen in the video the very quick changes of the structure. That's something we engineers have to fight with or have to deal with daily, because nowadays the requirements, they change so fast. If it's architectural ideas, or maybe it's suddenly they don't want to put more load on the structures, and that takes a lot of time to calculate. That's something maybe many people do not see because it's a little bit behind the scenes. So the idea of the project was to create a tool and put something together that makes it really easy. By just adjusting these parameters, the whole structure adapts and changes, so that it's not only beautiful and nice, but that it's also working and sustainable from an engineering point of view. So that was the basic idea, and it was really interesting to see how everything comes together, and how the three branches of the grasshopper script also leveled a little bit with the structures of the engineering parts. And it was really, really nice, and I learned a lot. And I'm very excited to develop that idea further and develop many more tools about that. Yeah, also with the PAZ Academy, it was very nice. The learning curve was quite steep, but I did get a lot and I learned a lot. And it was very sustainable, what I learned. And I think I can take that also into my daily life and daily work. So yeah, thank you, Nora and Andres. This way, then that's it from me. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Camille, for the nice words, but thanks more for your work during the last months. That was really intense, as you say, but also I think a big reward, and we hope to see you growing like professional. This is the next step. And now we want to share the next amazing project from Peter. Second, the scene and share with you. Okay. And now let's give the word to Peter who will explain his project.
Hallo zusammen, was ihr gerade gesehen habt, war meine Abschlussarbeit für das PAZ BSS Titel. Das war etwas, was mir einen Monat meines Lebens beschäftigt hat, der aber viel Freude bereiten wird in meinem zukünftigen Arbeitsleben. Die Zusammenfassung hat so ein bisschen gezeigt, es geht darum, Verschattungswinkel von Fenstern auszumessen. Arbeit, die für verschiedene Berechnungen benutzt wird, die ich in meinem täglichen Arbeitsleben machen muss. Bisher war das für jedes Fenster von jedem Projekt manuell zu machen. Bei kleinen Objekten ist das noch relativ einfach, 40 Fenster, ja, das geht ja noch. Mittlerweile haben meine Projekte mehr so 400, 600 Fenster und ja, vier Werte auszumessen und einzutippen ist ein bisschen langweilig und wir haben bisher schon Grasshopper-Skripts verwendet, nicht für diesen Zweck, aber das war so ein Moment, da ich dachte, jetzt mein Wissen reicht nicht, ich muss ein bisschen mehr Hilfe haben, auch ein bisschen mehr die Hintergründe sehen. Da hatte ich das PAZ BSS sehr angeboten, dass man die Grundlagen festigt und dass man dann eben auch ein Abschlussprojekt machen kann, das man dann später verwenden kann. So.
We have eine Frage für Peter. Eine question. Hallo.
Die besten und schlechten Momente.
Beste Momente, wenn man nach einem Tag Arbeit merkt, dass man nur einen Doppelpunkt vergessen hat und das jetzt funktioniert. Und das Schlechteste war, dass man nach einem Tag Arbeit gemerkt hat, dass ein Doppelpunkt fehlt. Nein, nicht den Einblick, dass man wirklich sieht, ja, man könnte etwas machen, man muss nicht alles manuell von Tabelle ausmessen und übertragen. Und, ja, es gibt viele Möglichkeiten und ja, ich bin gespannt, was die Zukunft bringt und man es nicht machen kann.
Yeah, I have questions because it's about tree branches. I would like to ask, how was your thought process about these projects? When you designed these structures, you thought about tree branches in the end, how you said all this information in the script and then came into reality.
I think I just went on the go. Okay, I first built the small structure. I knew that was necessary. Okay, a basis, like a basis, like a tree trunk. And then I went on from there.
So you made then just variations of it. So you
Yes.
had the basis
And have the basis, and then I developed further. And then I knew, okay, I need that structure because that's important in project. The tree trunk or the basis could be the ground plan, the floor plan. And then I knew, okay, I need the span.
Yeah.
And then when I have the span, I thought, okay, what else do I need, or what else could I like further make it smaller for the span to work? And then I went from there. And when you have the span, then there's the width of the beams is directly connected to it, so that would be on the same level. But I really took it down, but yeah, like level wise, small on a small, start on a small base, and then thinking what would be the next structure I need.
And then you automated the process.
Yes,
Okay.
I automated it.
So you took the parameters and then automated the process to have more variations.
Yes.
That's fun. Okay.
We have a nice discussion about tree branches here. But I think the important also, can I join to the, I think the important also about tree branches, or when we are learning data structures in whatever programming language, software, at the beginning, we need to be really open, because there are people, we have students, they want to learn everything the first day. And I think it's a big mistake, because they want to understand how the entire world is working.
Yeah.
And this is really hard, because tree branches have a really rational part. That is when you are really working like professional with tree branches, is when you set up the tree branches before they start to grow. That's the most important point, I think, that we need to learn. But the tree branches are growing and changing, are organic. I like plants, I like trees, and they are changing. But of course, same as the trees, you can also put corrections, take care, check how the tree is growing, checking also the information like the sun and other trees around, how many roots connection you have with the trees around. So the tree branches also, they can have this monitoring that, that's with more time. But what we can recommend is, first you need to enjoy. Continue. Yeah, you need more examples, you need more practice, you need to put on, let's say, some scripts in different directions. That's also important. And with that, you will start to get more and more fluent.
You bases, and from there you can have these variations, and you can also like experiment with other paths, right?
Experiment is always open, and is something we recommend always, even more with computer, because one of the great things of the computer, if we have fails, I mean, the computer can, but yeah, it's not happening normally with this software that we are running and is tested. But what I want to say, the computer is to test, to make fails, a lot of fails, as much as we can, because when you are building, when you are really doing the structure calculation, and you are really, then you can have mistakes.
Yeah.
But with the virtuality and the computer is where we need to practice, learn, get excited, also to experiment, to grow our own tree branches, and also, make also our professional identity with it.
There's always more than one solution. That's what really helped me, that when you look at a tree, no branch is the same. Exactly. That's a little bit confusing also.
Yeah, but it's not, I mean, there is a rationale, they all grow upwards.
Yeah.
They all grow toward the sun. But still, you cannot pick the apple before the trees grow.
That's
So, yeah.
At the end, the technical reason why we have disorder in the tree branches are dimensions.
okay.
It means when we have one line, okay, we have one dimension, but when we have one surface, we have two dimensions. So we need the Excel. We have the columns and the rows, and then tree branches appear. because we need to sort the columns and the rows. This is the technical reason, but behind the tree branches, they are growing with the steps because each component you put is having a new dimension at one level to the tree branch code. So with time, you will see the tree branch code and you will understand what's going on from the past of this script.
If you need a little step, then it's always like an error in the end. Like
At the beginning, it's really useful to see flattened graph, flattened. But yeah, I think, yeah, you need to be open. You need to be also patient. You need to be patient at the beginning with tree branches because it's complex and it's not a normal, let's say, data structure in the AAC industry, something special. And we need to also to have more cases because they can get complex. Also, David Rutten said tree branches can get so complex. Sometimes I don't know how I arrived to that point. Yeah, so these things will happen. But I think practice more examples, especially in party. Now you're in part two.
yeah.
In party, you have these nice scripts with more direction and you will have more use cases.
With the guy, my mistakes and I can go without the guidelines, then I make a little like a connection that is not well done, then everything is like catastrophe.
That when it's working is fantastic, right?
Yeah.
That's a computation. You will see with code. It's
Yeah.
even stronger.
Now I'm enjoying this level, the 9 that I am at the moment. I'm really enjoying it, like to see how it's building.
That's really nice. And it's really important is the core part of the BSS title, I think, is part two. And if you enjoy part two, it means that you are made it for that working methodology.
Yeah. Because I'm more visual kind of person. So when I think all the script and then the volume in the 3D, I'm enjoying it. Like how everything is coming together. Tree structure was really a
Okay, I think we will close the event because we are here today because Camille and Peter, thanks a lot for your hard work. Thanks a lot for your projects. We are really excited to see your next steps like professionals and applying all these things. Yeah, we will be always there in one or another tree branch level. We will meet in the Congress or next steps, but the important is congratulations again. Let's celebrate, let's relax. Thanks a lot. So we will stop the stream to have some drinks.
Yeah.